Hey everybody, this is Jeff Cooper coming to you midday on Thursday, January 24th, and we're just going to do a quick intraday update here on why we told subscribers to initiate a long position in Roku. We were filled at around 42.40 about an hour ago, and here's the reason why. Roku has been tracing out a bull flag for the last 2 weeks. Following a gap up, it's been consolidating, walking off this short-term overbought condition. A 50% retrace of the entire bear market leg down from October, around 76 up here, down to this roughly 2650 low, ties to 52, and coincidentally, that's right in this open gap from November. So you can see that this open gap here, this breakaway gap to the downside, perpetuated or defined, I should say, the midpoint of the entire leg down. Now, if we pull the lens back further, you'll see another gap here on the way up at the same level. So the market knows, Roku knows, traders know this 52-ish level. Let's pull the lens back a little further, and you can see that this recent low undercut the base for this strong advance up from the low 30s to the high 70s. And once it undercut that low and reclaimed it, you can see that it didn't take long for Roku to explode to the top side. This was a bear trap low right here, what I call a boomerang buy pattern. Now, if we go to the hourlies, let's just pull this back here so you can get a better look at the dailies. We go to the hourlies, you can see why we went long today. You have a rule of 4 breakout on the hourlies. In other words, a rule of 4 is a breakout over triple tops, and you can see this triple top line from this consolidation following this gap up. It looks like Roku is ready to make a run. If it clears the 45 strike, looks like it's probably targeting that, possibly as early as tomorrow on the weekly options expiration. If it clears 45, I think it's got a straight shot to 50, 52 over coming days, weeks. So we have a long position in Roku, and interestingly, the telltale sign that it's under accumulation, this breakout is probably the real deal, and it's genuine, is that despite the market pullback, the overall market pullback into the red, the reversal into the red, Roku has been maintaining its strength, and if the market turns green, it'll have another push higher in my estimation. Let's take a look at the 10-minute, and you can see the breakout today. So here's today's trade. Looks like it broke out yesterday, or started up yesterday, I should say, pulled back, formed a little triangle here, and look at the opening range breakout. That's a breakout over the first half hour's range. This is a 10-minute chart. So these are the first 3 bars. Move above that, push above that, triggers my opening range breakout or orb strategy. Here's the explosion following and triggering the orb. Consolidation, another push higher, pull back to the short-term 20 period moving average on the 10-minute, and that's where we are. So you can see this is the nature of stocks, to inhale and exhale, to expand and contract. You see this expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction, pullback, and now we'll see if this is a trend day, which an opening range breakout typically indicates, if this is a trend day, we should see another nice push up. So that's the story on Roku. Appreciate your time. Thanks for listening.